One of the many reasons people come to Nepal is to trek. This travel video covers the lesser-known trek to Nepal's largest man-made lake in Markhu via the village town of Chitlang. Hi! Our journey began with a 40-minute drive from Kathmandu to Chandragiri with eagle-eye treks and expedition. There's ducks on the way, stubborn ducks that just won't move. So our guide is chasing them away. Here we are. We're starting now. Hello Dai, hi Banus. Dai ko naam? Hari Dai, and this is Patrick. We're starting today's hike. We're gonna be going all the way up. It's not as steep as the Everest hike, he just said, so it shouldn't be that bad, but you never know. Respite numero uno. How's it going, Marsh?
I'm dying.
Oh, they're cooking in there. Hello. के पकाइराख्नु भएको? दुध उमालेर चियालाई. Look at all this. We have like 5 to 5.5 more hours to go to get to Chitlang, which is where we'll be spending the night tonight. Let's get this going. Woo! So humid out. The first part of the trek was going up the mountain through the forest.
Fucking hot.
1 hour to Lakhuri Panjang. That's where we're going. Look at this narrow little way. And we have entertainment going on by my friend Pemma. This is what we're just greeted with. Our guide said it'll be an easy path, but this is what we're gonna have to deal with. Made it to this cliff. Woo, woo. Yay! So we came all the way from down there. This is our stop. They have a little restaurant here where they sell food, some drinks if you want. This is
Baf choila.
Baf choila, and this is aloo dum.
Buff choila, I'm trying it now. Cheers! 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 And then this is aloo dum. Spicy? It's just really spicy, but it's spicy but delicious. Yeah, it's so good.
It's starting to sprinkle a little bit.
Raksha looks so much like a little babushka. Some ditchweed. The forest babushka.
We're almost through. Our guide said we still have like 30 minutes or so, but that's what they've been saying for the last 4 hours. 30 minutes. It's been very slippery, so if you guys decide to do this trek from Chitlang to Markhu, please guys do yourselves a favor and grab some nice trekking shoes. Get out of my leg!
Look, now I got one on me. Wonder if I got any on my legs. Oh, there's one on my shirt. Ah! Ah! It's so gross. Out of the forest.
This is the current road conditions we're having to deal with. I guess there's a lot of construction work. They're trying to pave a road here. Hence.
I feel bad for the guy on the motorcycle up here.
My shoes are like
Let me see them. Here, stop. Stop, stop.
Oh my gosh!
I got eaten by my first leech ever, so
Oh my god.
I left a piece of myself here in the mountain. There's Aurora, walking towards that little house.
Shout out to Eagle Eye Treks and Expedition in Thamel. If you guys are into adventure treks, nature trails, trekking, hiking, if you're an outdoor person, definitely check those guys out. She's got a little baby goat. Hi. Are you guys adopting them?
I wish, but we can't.
Aww. Cornfield. Hi. Makay michasa. So cute. I'm asking her if she likes the corn.
One for every day.
Thank you, Pemma Didi, bana. We're entering a little town again. Hello, Dai. How's it going, old man with your cane? Look at these big ass weed bushes.
Look at that, up to the telephone wire.
Here's where we're gonna be going. So Chitlang Organic Village Resort. Here we are, walking up to our Organic Village Resort. Almost there. I don't know what these fruits are called in English, but they're called naspati in Nepalese. And my mother is obsessed with these.
They're kind of like
A mix
the
of-
texture of a pear mixed with an apple. We made it.
Really looking forward to eating.
Here it is. We're staying in one of these tonight.
We made it to our resort and here's our meal. A team of 5. Woo woo! We have dal, lentils, greens, sag, potatoes. We have carrots, onions, and radish.
There we are.
That's where we'll be sleeping tonight.
We have a light.
So we requested for this room, but they said it's taken and we can't upgrade it, so we're gonna have to go back to our tents. It started raining a little, and here's our little
Mosquitoes
snacks.
everywhere.
These are pakoras. So this has flour, green bell pepper with tomato sauce, ketchup. This is badam, so peanuts with onions.
Tomatoes, coriander leaves, green chilies. That's it.
Do you like this, Patrick?
His mysterious ramen magic potion.
Oh, look at that, his mysterious drink.
I
It looks
drink
like
my
this.
own urine. It does wonders for my skin.
Ciao. This is the party we wanted to crush earlier.
Alright, they've got a buffet going on here. You got your white rice. You got a kind of lentil. Some potato and some veggies. Some bok choy. Chicken curry. Tomato relish, a little spicy.
Is my husband eating like a Nepali person with his hands?
Partially.
Good morning. Day 2 in Chitlang, Nepal. We're not feeling well. I haven't slept this past night. Hi, Waki. How are you feeling?
I think I'm over the worst of it. Hopefully I don't have to shit in the woods.
Hi. Aw. Here's our dog lady feeding her little children. She got him eggs. That's so cute. On day 2, we continued our trek to Markhu. We're approaching another little town in the middle of nowhere. Doing their laundry. We have a little shop with some more rum and snacks. Hi! You don't like it? Hi!
You like me?
Walking on the muddy road today. I don't think we have to climb any mountains or go down any mountains. Don't think we're gonna have any leeches either. Knock on wood. These guys are quicker than us. Got some more weed plants just on the side of the street. Every couple feet you find one. So we're supposed to go this way, but our guide told us if we take this little back road, there's a shortcut and it can cut off a little bit.
So this red mud we're walking on, also known as clay, this is what the villagers here use to make their houses. I think it's cob, like a mix of clay and grass. They do that and
make a brick.
Right, and that's how they build their houses.
Everybody must have harvested their cauliflowers.
I want some.
A lot of people ferment stuff here, so maybe they ferment it, some of it, and make like a pickle out of it. He's picking out the best ones and he's got his little sickle in his hand. In a pine forest again.
Yay! Here's our first view of the lake. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's right behind me. Hang on, let me show you. There it is. That's where we're headed, down there.
Talk to the little deer. She's a little mountain goat now.
This is the biggest man-made lake in Nepal, Lake Markhu. Enjoy the view! Here's where we're heading to get some lunch. I mean, we don't have many options here. We have this place and we have this, so we're like, this looks like it has a better view of the lake. This is our current view. Beautiful. Here's what one of my friends just ordered, some fried basa sticks. Here's my meal, some rice and dal and the crackers out of lentils and potatoes and cauliflower and greens with some sauce, and there's Marsha's noodles. There's Pemma's same meal minus the rice. She got
Puffed rice.
puff rice, and that's what he's drinking, an apple cider. We just finished eating our lunch and now we're heading to do some boating. Hi. Kitabai. We're gonna be getting on one of these boats. Life jacket on. Good to go? So our rower just told us this lake is about 23 to 25 meters deep. They've had this lake for about 25 years. That's what our guide just said.
Look up, Luigi.
Hi, little baby. They're friends. Rower friends. Ah, I guess it's like.
Alright, we gotta switch boats. Everybody switch boats.
It was a fun ride while it lasted. We're docking now. Laksa, hat. End of an adventure. So that was it. We're driving back to Kathmandu now. Our journey has come to an end. I hope this vlog inspires you to explore the beauty of rustic Nepal. Please be sure to subscribe and tickle that like button. I will be sure to see you guys next week on Tuesday.